Good morning, children. I hope all of you are fit and fine. Let's continue lesson that is your Roo at the ceremony. Okay, in my previous class, I explained you how Dami and Roo are excitedly waiting their cousin and uncle. Okay, and now what happened? Let's see. Dami thought about where her uncle lived and wondered whether her cousin Har would be very different from them. Early across the wide sea, many days away, it was a dangerous journey. Har had never been to the city because his father had settled in Ur long before any of them were born. Clear? यहाँ बेटा डिस्क्रिप्शन दी जा रही है कि कहाँ रहते थे हार जो है और एक जगह का नाम यहाँ बताई गई है जहाँ उसके फादर सेटल्ड हो गए थे इन बच्चों के जन्म के पहले से एंड व्हेन द विंड एंड द वेदर परमिटेड एंड देन ट्रेडिंग was good, he came back to the city. Once every 2 or 3 years, he would bring beautiful jewelry and strings of elegant beads for their mother and all kinds of toys for them. Now, Dami is describing कि जब वो अंकल आते थे वेदर ठीक होने के बाद ये सारे गिफ्ट्स लेकर आते थे and they in turn sent back lengths of cotton cloth for their aunt and cousins. Dami remembered a particularly lovely piece of cloth that their mother had dyed with madder. Okay, कुछ गिफ्ट करते थे ये कपड़े वगैरह ये लोग भी गिफ्ट करते थे वहां से वो ज्वेलरी लेकर आते थे अंकल. सो व्हाट इज मैडर स्टूडेंट्स? मैडर आप देखिए अ रेडिश पर्पल सब्सटेंस जिससे वो डाई करके गिफ्ट क्लॉथ का सेंड करती थी. It came out a rich, deep purple red that Dami knew would make a glorious garment. And sure enough, when their uncle returned, he conveyed their aunt's greetings and gratitude. Gratitude मतलब बेटा thanks कहना सारी चीज़ों के लिए. When the family sat down for their morning meal, Rue suddenly remembered something. He grew pale. मेरा इस वर्ड का मतलब होता है कि थोड़ा सा येलोइश फेस का हो जाना डर की वजह से एनी रीज़न. Father, the head priest, said I was to assist at the ceremony this afternoon. How will I meet her if I am at the great bath? Okay, father is saying कि अब मुझे तो वहाँ एक सेरेमनी के लिए जाना है लेकिन मैं कैसे मिलूंगा हार से. Well, you will have to meet him later then. You know it is a great honor to participate in the water ritual. आर यू फुली प्रिपेयर्ड? ये रिचुअल्स है बेटा इन आपको आप जान रहे हैं आप कब कहाँ का पढ़ रहे हैं. ये स्टोरी है इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन एंड द सिटी इज़ योर मोहनजोदारो. वहाँ पे आप ग्रेट बाथ वाला ये आप पढ़े हैं हिस्ट्री में भी. तो यहाँ बताया जा रहा है कि वो बहुत गर्व की बात है इस रिचुअल में पार्ट लेना. आर यू फुली प्रिपेयर्ड? यस Father, I will go now and bath and change my clothes. Rue had suddenly lost his appetite at the thought of facing the strict eyes of the head priest and following the rigidly laid out ritual that he had been taught. ओके एपिटाइट मीन्स यहाँ पे जैसे डांट सुने डर से घबराहट से बेटा पेट का खराब होना. Dami can go with your father, the children's mother said. I will prepare things for them here. नाउ मदर इज सेइंग कि दामी जा सकती है क्योंकि वो नहा भी ली है और तैयार भी है. रू ट्रेल्ड सैडली टू द बेदिंग प्लेस एंड bathed and changed in preparation for the ceremony. Now, Ru also changed his dress and bathed. He made a bundle of spare set of clothes to change into after the water ritual and then dejectedly made his way to the great bath. On any other day, it would have been an honor and a pleasure to the taking part in the ceremony. But today, all his thoughts were on the boat in which Har was coming and all the goods that the uncle would bring. हर दिन तो इन बच्चों के लिए बहुत एक्साइटमेंट होता था वहाँ जाने के लिए ग्रेट बात के लिए. लेकिन आज क्या था उनका पूरा ध्यान कहाँ है अपनी कजिन्स को और अंकल को वेलकम करने में और वो जो गिफ्ट लेकर आएंगे. यहाँ से देखिए बेटा रू शडर टू ओवर थिंक ऑफ डैट ही वुड हैव टू मेक श्योर ही डिड हिज पार्ट करेक्टली. अब इन्हें डर भी लग रहा है कि वहाँ जाकर पार्ट पे जो भी बोलना है रिचुअल्स में वो गड़बड़ कुछ ना हो. शडर्ड मीन्स शिवर्ड इन फियर. अब इसे डर लग रहा था कहीं कुछ मिस्टेक ना हो जाए. Entering the great bathroom made his way to the residence of the head priest. He tried to straighten his drooping shoulders and move purposely But all his thoughts were on the path that Dami and his father would take on their way to the harbor, sitting in the bullock cart that he had arranged for the luggage. So, Ru, are you ready? Called a booming voice from behind the big neem tree in the courtyard. अब यहाँ से आवाज आती है. Yes, he murmured, touching his head on the ground. और सारे rituals बेटा होते हैं. उसके बाद आप यहाँ से देखिए. Ru was so astonished that he forgot to keep his eyes downcast. Eyes downcast means students look down. Okay. He murmured and bowed again. You will attend the ritual on the next full moon, the head priest said in his usual service voice, and tell your father I expect to see him and his brother tonight to hear of the voyage. You may go now. फिर वो जो हेड प्रेस्ट रहते हैं वो रू को जाने दे देते हैं और कहते हैं कि अपने अंकल और फादर से कहना कि उनसे आकर मिलें. Ru bowed once again, and as soon as the head priest turned away, he ran all the way to the harbour. Panting and breathless, he arrived as the boat was docking. भाग के फिर वो जाता है वहाँ वेलकम करने के लिए. जब तक बोट आती है रू भी वहाँ पहुँच जाता है. Greetings, sir, he shouted to a boy who stood looking eagerly across the rail. Oh, it was going to be a memorable day. So this was all, students. If you have any doubt, you can ask me during online classes. Thank you, students.